Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Lexstyle Beauty. Today I have a special guest with me, Melissa, and she is the winner of my giveaway, the makeover giveaway. So if you want to see her makeover, please keep watching. I'm going to start by using her Brow Pro palette. Well, it's my brow palette. It's my Brow Pro palette.
It's my damn brows
on her. And I think I'm going to use the shade medium brown. I draw the straightest line on the bottom. If you ever watched my other YouTube videos, I also mentioned that. And I'm just gonna brush this up. And then this has also a transitioning shade. Can you show them? Oh, transitioning shade in medium brown that I'm just gonna use for the part closest to the middle. I feel like I have a raspy voice right now. I'm going in with the Born This Way. I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, now I'm gonna decide what we're gonna do for this look. I'm going in with the KKWX Mario palette. This is definitely one of my favorite palettes ever. I'm going in with the color, I think this is Baby. I might have had these, remember. Oh no, it's Miami. Alright, now we're gonna go into the Sippin' Pretty palette. Because I like the shade Blacko. Yep, that's what it's called. That one was an easy one to remember, so the least I could do is remember that. I'm going to go right into the crease. If I didn't say that before, I just blended out the other color in the crease. I keep forgetting everything right now. But now we're just gonna blend out black in the crease. I'm gonna go back in with Miami. Is that what it was called? Is that what I said? Yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna take that blending brush again. I'm just gonna blend this out even more.
Reconstruct that face.
Damn! I'm going back in with the Born This Way. This stuff, a little goes a long way with this. Close your eye. And we are just going to make the crease with concealer. I'm so happy you won the giveaway.
I know, it was so funny because I was like at work, make sure you pull my number, make sure, just kidding. And so it was like 4. And then Taylor, I love you, but your big mouth was like,
Melissa! Do you like gold or silver?
I'm more of a silver chick. Like that damn platinum.
I am gonna go into the shade Loyalty, which is this pretty shade right here. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more Bam to it, and I'm gonna go in with Ozo, or yeah, I think it's Ozo. Yep, it's Ozo from the Galaxy palette. Fenty Beauty. This just is gonna give it more of a silver feel. I'm gonna go in with a more defined brush, and I'm gonna go back into Blackout with, well, from the Sippin' Pretty palette. I'm just gonna define that cut crease even more. And then I'm just gonna flick the brush upward to just blend that in. Next, we're gonna go in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. And I'm just going to just draw the straightest line I can, and I'm gonna elongate it. I'm not gonna arch it up, I'm just gonna arch it straight. taking Blackout and I'm just going to underline her eyes. Alright, let's get into this face. I think I'm gonna go in. Ooh! And destroy everything. I know. I'll go in with the Tatcha primer. Oh. Maybe that shouldn't be in there.
Maybe not.
Smooth it back out.
Ooh, that feels nice and light.
I know, it's really nice. It's like actually a really clean product too. Just gonna pat this into her face. I'm gonna pick out some foundation.
As white as you can go. Like that Casper.
Okay, I'm just gonna pour the foundation right on there. I'm going in with L'Oreal True Match in neutral too. Brush, and I guess I'm gonna go in with Porcelain Bisque. It's like a porcelain doll. This is the Bobbi Brown Pro Palette for foundation and concealer. I don't think I've ever used this concealer.
Might have to go run a few errands before I get over there.
It's like I need to be seen. I think I'm gonna go in with Mocha.
Every time I think of Fenty Beauty, I think of Sola.
Oh, really? Now we're just gonna go in with our beauty blender. Look up for me. Just pushing the concealer in her face. So yeah, you're just gonna blend out your contour now. Now I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder from the light to medium, and we're just gonna bake her face. When I'm done with this, I'm just gonna go in with some bronzer and do a powdered contour. Going to line her lips. Yeah, I'll go in with nude one since she's pretty light. And then I'm gonna go in with the Classic K. Going in with Grace from KKW Classic Blossom Collection. Fire Crystalline Lightning Dust Highlighter. Face first. And then I'm gonna put this highlighter on. I'm gonna put some lashes on her.
Never done lashes, so it's gonna be interesting.
Going to measure this to her eye now. These are, I believe, yeah, the Ardell Wispy lashes. You, my friend, actually have a really long eye and you don't even need to cut yours. But I always still cut a tiny bit. Just because I don't want it to like poke her. Alright, well, you're gonna wait like a minute for it to be tacky. That's where everybody messes up. I'm lifting her lid because I just want to get it really right on top of her lash line. I'm now gonna go in with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and I'm going to just go over her lashes that I just did, just to blend. This will like really blend her natural lashes with the false lashes.
Spray you again. And I love Sandra Bullock too, but I'm like, honey.
So this is the final look, and Melissa got her makeover. So I hope you guys loved it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this and more makeup tutorials. I'm going to get into more things like that. But thank you so much for watching.